Good morning, everybody. Today is March 18th. Happy Wednesday 2020. And the stock market is down 1,500 points again. So yesterday it was up 1,100. Today it was down 1,500. This is beautiful. You know, if you're an active trader, you should be able to make quite a bit of money. I made 300%, okay, from yesterday to today. So what happens is that I no longer trade Dow Jones Index or, you know, any kind of like big ass stocks such as, you know, Microsoft, Facebook, Google, or whatever, right? And the reason is that they're attracting right now a ton of attention, okay? And what happens is that when you attract a lot of attention, the volatility spikes, and if you trade stock options prices are out of control. They're just too high, and it's really kind of like almost impossible to make money there without a huge investment. So what I did was I actually switched to smaller stocks, and guess what? In light of all this craziness right now, smaller stocks attract a lot less attention than huge stocks, but they're just as volatile, meaning that you could still make a lot of money on them trading stock options, but stock options are not super high in price, you know. So I was trading actually one medical diagnostic company. I cannot tell you the name, but for some, you know, reasons. But the main thing is that there's like a lot of companies that are, you know, not super high in price, but they are, you know, you could make a lot of money on them. So this dude is like out of control. I mean, I'm driving 50 miles, the road is 50 miles an hour, and he's driving 20 miles an hour, so I had to actually pass him. So the main thing is this, that we have a market that's up and down, and there's a lot of panic sale, you know, that happens in small stocks, and because of that, they stock options. You know, you could buy them cheap because nobody really anticipates huge price drops, but they do happen, and you know, you could make quite a bit of money there. So the main thing right now is that I think I found a pretty good indicator to see when this whole craziness is gonna end. And you know, I think one of the best ways to kind of judge kind of like the nerves of the market and how people feel about it and how, you know, the trading is going to happen is go visit your grocery stores, you know. And it looks like till we have empty shelves, till we don't have toilet paper, paper towels, sanitizers, you know, formula for babies, you know, that means we will have some rocky days. But you know, right now you should buy, because guess what? Tomorrow the government is gonna inject some craziness again, into the market, saying that now they will give us $2,000 per person, and then they will give us more, and then the market is gonna spike up and down, up and down. It's gonna be crazy. So, but the main thing is that we will be experiencing this huge volatility for I don't know how many days, but this is a golden opportunity. Just don't go to big stocks, big premiums for stock options. I mean, you could make money if you have a lot of money just buying and selling the shares, but that requires quite a bit of investment, and you know, you could possibly make 10, 15, 20%. But I'm talking about 3, 4, 500%. Like case in point, I bought stock options yesterday for 25 cents. I sold them today for 90 cents. That's 300% plus profit. So, which stocks I would advise you to buy? I would say that I was watching Quest Diagnostics, and the reason is I actually went to the office to give blood, but not me, my son. And the offices were super clean, but they were kind of empty. I didn't like that part. You know, I thought there would be a lot more people there, but maybe, you know, the other thing is that maybe people are, I don't know, scared to go, you know, because first of all, you could get infected there because there might be some people who are sick, and you know, and the second thing is that the second thing is that Quest Diagnostics actually dropped today quite a bit at like $70 or $90 a share, I forgot, but it was quite a bit of drop. So, but the point is that Quest Diagnostics and LabCorp are the two main providers that will be testing for coronavirus, and they expecting half of the population to get this thing, right? Which means that if you get it, you have to get tested, and that's kind of could be an expensive test. I don't know what kind of price the government is going to negotiate with Quest Diagnostics for that, because the government is buying it and paying for it, which means that they have you know, quite a bit of bargaining power, kind of. So, but if you would like to know which stocks you should consider buying, go to the website 2stx.com. It will take you directly to the Apple App Store page, where you could download, install, and run my app on your iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV, and it covers 5,500 stocks with daily buy and sell recommendations. And you could definitely find some great stocks to buy there. One last advice for you is Akron company. Okay, what happened is that Akron was a food delivery company that was pretty much dead, because all those supermarkets and all those, you know, Amazons and why not, you know, they started to compete with these guys and start to offer food delivery service. So they basically crashed all the way to like $1, and now they're skyrocketing at $9 because people need food to be delivered. So thank you for your time, stay healthy, and good luck trading.